Before beginning with this article, let's first understand what Facebook Audience Network is. Audience Network expands Facebook's people-based advertising beyond the Facebook platform. With Audience Network, publishers can bring in cash by showing promotions from Facebook publicists in their applications. Facebook Articles was designed with the mission to take care of the issue of slow web loading on mobile. This Facebook product has various intelligent highlights that offer life to the web stories on the actual portable. Besides, the clients can profit themselves with its extra highlights like tap to zoom picture exhibitions, autoplay video, and others. Pros of Facebook Instant Articles. Instant Articles are clicked 20% more from the news feed. Articles have interactive features such as tap to zoom image galleries, autoplay videos, tilt and turn mobile device to see other angles of an image, ability to capture leads thanks to an email lead capture. Cons of Facebook Instant Articles. Traffic doesn't go to your mobile site. Setting up Instant Articles requires a bit of technical support. Facebook takes 30% cut from ad revenue. You can't share a Facebook Instant Article to your other social networks like Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn or so on. The platform aims to bridge a connection between people and significant posts, photos, stories, and videos. With Instant Articles, publishers can share their stories with people all around the globe. How to earn money from Facebook Instant Article in Nepal. Step 1. Signing up. You need to have editor, admin rights of a published Facebook page. Initially, only medium or large-size publishers with a minimum of 100,000 likes, followers on their FB page could benefit themselves with Instant Articles. Step 2. Claim your URL. Choose a Facebook page where you'd like to activate your content. After the selection, you'll have to claim the URL that will be used for the articles. And then, you'll have to verify your website by adding a meta tag to your FB page's tag. Then include the URL to your page's settings. Make sure to add the URL before clicking on the Claim URL button for finalizing the verification. Step 3. Comply with the format. Submission of a minimum of 5 or 10 articles for review is mandatory for the publishers to get their accounts activated. We have to make sure that the formatting of the articles is marked up as stated in the rules. The format of Instant Articles features a simple semantic HTML structure including special attributes and classes. Note: if the meta tag does not follow to guide the clients to the first article over Google AMP, at that point Facebook's Instant Articles will present to you no advantages. Step 4. Sync your blog. Create articles for Instant Articles. Facebook allows the publishers to publish the articles directly from their content management system to the mobile apps, web, and other places where the readers can see the content. Step 5. Check the article preview. Install the Facebook Page Manager on your device for previewing your submitted content. Step 6. Customize your articles. Facebook offers the option of customizing the articles according to the particular preference of the publishers. Step 7. Content submission. Submit the content once you have it prepared. You have two alternatives to present your article. The first is by presenting it on the Facebook account. Utilize the +Create button from the Publishing Tools screen to submit the content directly. Step 8. Wait for the review results. Don't expect your submission to be accepted right away. Completion of the review process takes 24 to 48 hours. Step 9. Post approval of your content. When you get the approval for Instant Articles, you can access the settings page. The Instant Articles settings diversify the scope of customizing the content at an enhanced level. You'll have various amazing options for your kitty, including the auto-publish option from RSS feed, which of course will make your job much easier. Using the publishing tool, you can publish, edit, and delete the articles you had submitted for review. How to monetize Facebook Instant Article. There are two methods of monetizing the text-based contents like articles and blogs: incorporating direct sold ads. Sponsored content. Incorporating direct sold ads into the content. Ads are one of the biggest income sources for content creators. Facebook articles provide an increased level of flexibility so the clients can make enormous income by joining the direct sold ads and promotions into their content. You can utilize banner advertisements, video promotions, and energized advertisements sold by your groups. 2. Sponsored content. Any verified Facebook page featuring the blue tick mark has access to publishing sponsored content on the platform. An overview of Facebook Instant Article. Facebook Instant Articles is a component from social media networking company Facebook for use with teaming up news and publishers that the distributor or publishers can decide to use for articles they select. At the point when a distributor or publisher chooses an article for Instant Articles, individuals perusing Facebook in its portable application can see the whole article inside Facebook's application, with organizing fundamentally the same as that on the distributor's or publisher's site. Facebook has opened up Instant Articles to publishers of all sizes. The announcement that Instant Articles were being opened up to all distributors or publishers came in February 2016, and they were formally opened for all on April 12, at Facebook's F8 conference. Features of Facebook Instant Article Analytics. At launch time, Facebook declared that Instant Articles would be compatible with Comscore, Google Analytics, and Omniture, just as numerous distributors or publishers' internal following devices. Also, Facebook would offer publishers or distributors its own rich examination on client conduct on Instant Articles. Formatting. Facebook promised to preserve the look and feel of articles from the publisher's website when showing them as Instant Articles, but making them more minimalistic and also better suited to the user's device. Promoting and advertising. Facebook allows ads and promotions to show up inside Instant Articles. Publishers can keep 100% of the income on the off chance that they sell the advertisements, and Facebook gets its standard 30% cut on the off chance that it sells the promotions. Load time. Facebook claimed that Instant Articles load 10 times as fast as mobile web content, thereby creating a better user experience. The Wall Street Journal reported that, according to tests done by Catchpoint Systems, Facebook's claim held true. The average load time for Instant Articles was between 0 and 300 milliseconds, compared with 3.66 seconds for similar articles on news publishers' websites. The difference was attributed to Facebook preloading articles as well as to Facebook allowing ads to be fetched without disrupting access to the content itself. According to post on the Facebook blog, Facebook's goal is to connect people to the stories, posts, videos, or photos that matter most to them. Opening up Instant Articles will allow any publisher to tell great stories that load quickly to people all over the world. With Instant Articles, they can do this while retaining control over the experience